Hello everyone, I want again to welcome all of you to this other lesson. Remember, in the last 5 lessons we have discussed about different types of interpreters. In this lesson I want us to talk about specialized interpreting situations. That's where we are going to focus. And remember, when we talk about specialized interpreting events or situations, we actually mean the types of events where we are supposed to interpret. So amongst them, we are going to discuss about number 1, legal interpreting, in a situation where we require to interpret as legal interpreters. We also have another situation like mental health interpreting, so we are also going to discuss about that. We'll talk about medical interpreting. We'll talk about religious interpreting. We'll also talk about, of course, which will be the last one, we'll talk about oral interpreting or transliterating. So those are the types of interpreting situations we are going to discuss in the next lessons. So just as I mentioned, when of course we were discussing about preparation before taking an assignment, we talked about different events like wedding, funeral service, religious setting. We talked about so many of them. So in these lessons we are going to focus on those events or situations so that you are able to understand as an interpreter and the type of tasks that you have to perform during such like situations. So as interpreters, of course, we don't have to forget that preparation is the key factor for us to success in the process of interpretation. So make sure as an interpreter you prepare well before the assignment to ensure that you deliver your message appropriately, the way it's expected from your employer and of course from the audience. So in the next lessons, as I've said, we are going to discuss the 4 specialized interpreting situations. So see you in the next lesson.